There's a YouTube channel called Zen that has done something most creators spend years trying to achieve. With only 15 videos, it has gained 140,000 subscribers and over 14 million views. And when you look at how long it actually took to get there, the number becomes even more interesting. The oldest video on that channel was posted just 2 months ago. 2 months. Meaning someone took an old dormant YouTube account, pointed it at the right niche, and used a system to blow up the internet before most people even knew the window was open. If you go to the video section and filter by popular, the first video sitting at the top has 7.5 million views, another has 3.3 million, another 1.7 million. And according to vidIQ, the entire channel is generating approximately $44,000 every single month from one upload per week. That is not luck, and it is not a coincidence. There is a repeatable formula behind every one of those videos, and in this tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to find that formula, model it with AI, and launch your own version of this channel from scratch with only free tools. Before we get into the workflow, I want to show you proof that this is not an isolated case. There is another channel called Axon that ran the exact same strategy. It is not even 2 months old, it has only 8 videos, and it has already crossed 3 million views and 29,800 subscribers. One of those videos hit 2.4 million views in a single month. The channel is already monetized. So if you were wondering whether the niche itself has room, the answer is yes, and the window is still open right now. Now, let me walk you through how to actually replicate this using AI and completely free tools. The first thing you need is an AI agent that can handle the entire automation workflow from start to finish without hitting a wall halfway through. I originally started this process using ChatGPT and ran into credit limits before I even reached the middle of the workflow. I had the same issue with Claude Code, unless you are on a paid plan. After testing different tools, I landed on SureThing, and the entire process ran without a single issue. I will leave the link in the description below. What makes SureThing different from other AI tools is that it has the ability to pull real-time YouTube data without needing external connectors or additional integrations. You paste your prompt once, and it stores everything in memory, which means it can reference your inputs across every single step of the workflow without you having to repeat yourself. It is specifically built for automation workflows, and that is exactly what we are using it for here. When you sign up, you immediately receive 1,000 free credits. You get an additional 150 credits every time you log in, and if you use my link in the description, you will receive another 500 credits on top of that. That total is more than enough to run the entire workflow end-to-end without hitting any limits. Once you have created your account, create a new project to keep everything organized. Give it a name, add a brief description, and hit create. Now head over to YouTube and find the channel you want to model. For this tutorial, I am using Zen. The only thing standing between you and a fully automated workflow right now is this master prompt. It took me about 2 hours of building and testing with trial and error before it finally worked the way I needed it to. If you want to stop producing content manually and you want a complete guide on how I build these master prompts, join my private community. The link is in the description. Copy the entire 5-page prompt and paste it directly inside SureThing, then hit generate. This prompt alone transforms SureThing from a regular AI tool into a complete automation agent. The moment you run it, the agent immediately asks you to provide information about the channel you want to clone, so it has enough data to move forward with authority. Here is exactly what it needs from you. The first thing it asks for is the YouTube channel link. Return to the channel, copy the URL from the address bar, and paste it directly into the agent. The second thing it needs is a screenshot of the channel homepage. You want to capture the full page, including the banner, the profile picture, and the complete video grid. Zooming out before you screenshot gives it more information about the content style. Once you upload it, type something like homepage screenshot attached so the agent knows to register it. Next, it needs the titles from at least 5 of the top performing videos. Return to the channel, go to the video section, and filter by popular. Take your time highlighting and copying each title. This is what allows the agent to understand the title structure and the psychological trigger that makes viewers click on videos like these. It will then use that same formula to generate your video ideas. After the titles, upload screenshots of the thumbnails from those same top-performing videos. The agent uses these to analyze the thumbnail composition, the visual identity, the text placement, and the color approach. When you upload them, be specific. Let the agent know which image is which, for example, image 2 through image 6, so it can process each one properly. Then you need at least 2 screenshots taken from inside one of the popular videos. Go back to the channel, open the video, play it through, and pause at different points as you take screenshots at random intervals. These visuals are what tell the agent the animation style, the color palette, the character design, and how scenes are framed. This first stage takes the most input from you, and that is intentional. The more information you give the agent at this stage, the less you have to do in every stage that follows, because it will have enough context to operate on autopilot. The final input for this stage is the video link itself. Copy the URL directly from the address bar or use the share button and paste it into the agent. Once everything is submitted, hit send and let the agent take over from here. What happens next is where this system earns its place. The agent fully analyzes the channel and comes back with a breakdown that covers everything. It identifies the content niche and topic territory. For Zen, it concludes that the content spans human nature, anthropology, evolutionary biology, and psychology, which explains why the videos reach such a broad audience and continue to go viral. It breaks down the target audience, including age range, interests, motivational drivers, and the emotional tone the content uses to connect with them. It then analyzes the thumbnail formula from the screenshots you uploaded, covering the art style, color scheme, text treatment, emotional expression, and the overall composition. It watches the video link you provided and concludes that the channel uses a two-dimensional hand-drawn animation style with stick figure characters, identifies the color palette, studies how text overlays are used, and maps the pacing of the content. It also breaks down the narration structure. Zen opens with a hook, moves into a historical frame, goes into the deep dive, introduces a surprising revelation, connects it to a modern implication, and closes with a strong call to action. On top of that, it identifies the title formula. The pattern for Zen follows the structure of what did, followed by a subject, followed by an action or context. For example, what did ancient humans do at night? It calculates the upload frequency and concludes what is driving the viral engine behind the channel. This step is the foundation of everything. If you give the agent strong inputs here, every output it produces from this point forward will reflect that quality. When you are satisfied with the analysis, simply type, move to the next step, and hit enter. At this stage, the agent uses the reference channel formula to build a completely fresh channel identity for you. It generates 5 original channel name ideas, each representing a different content angle you could take. It then recommends one name and explains its reasoning. Once the name is selected, it produces a logo description, a banner description, a channel description, and a set of channel keywords, all built around the name and the formula it studied. I will skip over the channel creation process itself, since most of you already know how to set up a YouTube channel. If you need a complete walkthrough, I will link a tutorial in the description. Once your channel is ready, reply with your chosen channel name, and SureThing will know exactly what to do with it. What the agent does next is generate 10 fresh video ideas calibrated to the content angle of your new channel. The ideas follow the same viral structure observed in the reference channel, but they are completely original. If you want to stay close to the human nature and ancient history lane, the ideas will reflect that. If you want to shift the angle entirely, that works too, because the system adapts to wherever you want to take it. Go through the 10 ideas, pick the number of the topic you want to start with, and submit it. The agent will then generate a complete script and all the scene prompts needed to produce that first video. I want to pause here for a moment, because this is the part that changes everything. When I was starting out on YouTube, I spent hours trying to figure out what worked, writing scripts from scratch with no structure and guessing at what people wanted to watch. This method removes all of that friction. You are not building from a blank page. You are taking a proven formula, applying it to your own angle, and using AI to execute at a speed that simply was not possible before. One person running this system can manage 4 different channels without burning out. That is not a theory. That is what this workflow makes possible. The script the agent produces is clean and ready to drop directly into a text-to-speech tool. There are no unnecessary filler phrases, no M-dashes, and the spacing is designed so that each paragraph corresponds to a natural segment of spoken audio. Based on the script, the agent also generates ready-to-paste image prompts for each scene. Each prompt is designed to cover approximately 5 to 6 seconds of video and is written with continuity and visual consistency built in, so your video looks like it belongs to a single cohesive world from the first frame to the last. With the script and prompts in hand, the next step is creating the voiceover. You have 3 strong options for this depending what you need. The first is ElevenLabs, which is known for its realistic human-sounding voices and gives you 10,000 free credits that refresh every month. The second is Minimax Audio, which has a large voice library and also provides 10,000 free credits monthly. On the free plan, you can also design or clone a voice for consistent branding across your channel. If you want something with no credit limits at all, Google AI Studio is completely free. Log in, go to the playground, select speech and music, choose the Gemini 2.5 Flash TTS preview model, pick a voice, paste your script, and generate. For this tutorial, I will be using Minimax Audio. Before you commit to generating the full script, copy just a few lines and test them across 2 or 3 different voices first. This saves you credits and helps you avoid wasting your full generation on a voice that does not match the pacing or tone of your content. Inside Minimax Audio, click on the default voice to open the voice library. You can filter by language and gender to narrow it down. Play through each option until you find the one that fits.
Most creators believe they already know what it takes to grow a YouTube channel. Post consistently, upload every week.
When you have found it, click Use, return to SureThing, copy the full script, paste it into Minimax, and generate. Once the voiceover is ready, download it as an MP3 and save it to your project folder. With the voiceover done, the next step is image generation, and this is where things start getting interesting. Instead of opening different tabs or juggling between tools, SureThing generates all your images in one interface. Simply scroll up, copy the prompt for scene 1, paste it in, and submit. And unlike other free tools that return images stamped with a watermark, SureThing gives you a high-quality visual, completely clean. In a few seconds, your first image is ready. Take a look at what comes out. Instead of the white backgrounds and stick figures you saw on Zen, you get a fresh visual identity built around your channel. That is the entire point of this system. The agent does not make a copy. It takes the structural DNA of what works and applies it in a new direction, so your channel stands apart from every other creator who looked at Zen and just duplicated the exact same visuals. Now repeat the same process for each remaining scene. Copy the prompt, generate the image, move on to the next one until you have the full set. Once all your images are generated, save them to a clearly labeled folder and name each file according to its scene number. Staying organized at this stage will save you significant time when you get to editing. You are now 90% done. The last step is editing everything together. Open any video editing software you are comfortable with and create a new project. Import all your images and your voiceover. The most important rule in editing this type of content is to always lay down your voiceover on the timeline first. The audio is your foundation. Everything visual needs to be built around it. Once the voiceover is on the timeline, add your images in the correct scene order. Play the voiceover and match each image to the words being spoken at that moment. The viewer should always see what they are hearing. If the visuals are off from the narration even slightly, the video stops making sense and viewers leave. Take your time syncing this properly. To make the sync process easier, return to SureThing and look at the scene prompts. Each one starts with the opening words of the corresponding script line. Use those matching words as your anchor point to know exactly where each image belongs on the timeline. For Zen-style content, background music is optional since the reference channel does not use it. If you want to add transitions between clips, go to the Transitions tab in your editor, pick one that feels smooth, and apply it across all clips. Subtitles are also optional here since YouTube automatically generates captions that viewers can turn on at any time and can auto-translate into different languages. These videos do not need heavy editing experience to produce well. Keep it clean, keep it synced, and let the content do the work. When everything looks right, export your video at the highest resolution available. Give the file a clear name and save it. That is your first video done. And here is what will shock you. Instead of manually writing titles, descriptions, and tags for every upload, SureThing can connect directly to other platforms and handle your social media for you. Click on Connect Apps, search for YouTube, hit Connect, choose the account linked to your channel, and complete the authorization process. Once YouTube is connected, click to attach your video. After it finishes uploading, ask SureThing to upload it with a fully optimized title, description, and tags, then submit. Now, if I jump back to YouTube Studio and refresh, you can see the video has been successfully uploaded. And if we check the video details, it has written the title, description, and tags on its own. That is what makes SureThing different. You do not have to copy and paste anything. It manages the entire upload for you. All you have to do is review it and hit publish. Just connect it to your YouTube, send it the video, and ask it to upload. It will handle the title, the description, the tags, and the SEO. You just click publish. This is the smartest way to do YouTube automation in 2026, and it is all inside one tool. And here is the video we just created.
Most creators believe they already know what it takes to grow a YouTube channel. Post consistently, upload every week, show up, and eventually the algorithm rewards you. It sounds logical, it feels productive, and for the majority of creators, it completely fails. Here is what the fastest growing channels are doing instead, and why almost nobody talks about it. The channels adding the most subscribers right now are not posting more than you, they are posting less. Strategically less. And they are outpacing channels with 10 times their upload history. So what is the actual difference? And why does their approach work so well? The answer starts with how YouTube actually measures the value of a channel. Most creators track subscriber count and view count. YouTube is watching something else entirely. It tracks how long people stay, how often they come back, and whether they actually click your videos.
That is the complete workflow for cloning a high-performing faceless YouTube channel using SureThing AI. The link to the platform is in the description below. Sign up for free, and you will receive 1,850 credits on your account, which is more than enough to run this entire workflow from channel research to finished video script without hitting any limits. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with someone who is still trying to figure out how to start, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell so you do not miss the next tutorial. The window on niches like this does not stay open forever, and the creators moving right now are the ones who are going to own it.